ready to breathe life into your characters with that awesome retro game look. Let's jump into Adobe Animate and unlock the power of Sprite Sheet animation. First, import your Sprite Sheet by going to File, then Import, and choose Import to stage. Your Sprite Sheet, containing all the individual frames of your animation, is now on the stage. Now, open your library panel. You can usually find it under the window menu. Drag your Sprite Sheet from the stage into the library. This keeps it organized. Right-click the Sprite Sheet in the library and select Properties. Change the linkage to Export for Action Script. Back on the stage, select your Sprite Sheet, right-click, and choose Break Apart. This separates each individual sprite in the sheet. Create a new symbol. Select all the individual sprites and right-click to convert them to a new symbol and name it whatever you want. Now in the timeline, create a new keyframe for each sprite in your animation sequence. To do this, right-click in the timeline and select Insert Keyframe or press F6. Now the fun part, replace the content of each keyframe with your individual sprites in order. Select each keyframe and drag its corresponding sprite from the library to the stage. Ensure it is aligned the way you like it in each keyframe. Press play. You should see your sprite animation come to life. Refine the timing of each frame by adjusting the keyframe positions in the timeline for a smoother loop. Ensure the first and last frames connect seamlessly. And that's how you create awesome sprite animations in Adobe Animate. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more animation tutorials, and share your sprite animations in the comments below. Happy animating!